There's nowhere else that's got mountains 20 minutes away, and then the coast as well.
The location we're in is unmatched. I'm not sure you can really find a university that does this course and is in such an amazing location.
Bangor is such a special place. There's just a vibe here that you can only get by being here that no other uni can offer.
We're really passionate about what we teach in the classroom because it's also what we're researching ourselves.
I can teach about my research in class, and then the next day I can demonstrate how I perform my research to the students in the lab in real time.
Some of the things that help define sports science at Bangor that's different to other universities is both the breadth of expertise and the breadth of topics covered. It's quite impressive to cover things that are standard sports science and topics like injury, but not everyone also includes high altitude medicine related research, as well as biomechanics and performance psychology.
We get to know you on day one of your degree, and we follow you all the way through that degree.
It doesn't feel like you're asking a question in front of a room of 300 people.
It really does feel like a tight-knit family here. All of the lecturers are willing to give you their time.
You could be in a lecture with maybe 20 to 30 people, which does allow you to get more out of it.
We have several well-equipped lab spaces, including physiology labs, motion capture labs, biomechanics labs, as well as biochemistry labs where we can actually look at what's going on in people's samples, such as blood samples.
2 state-of-the-art environmental chambers that can simulate hot or cold conditions, as well as high altitude.
So I came to Bangor about 5 years ago, started off doing a foundation year because I didn't have the qualifications to come into the full degree. That was a really transformative and incredible experience. The foundation year really made me excited for academia and helped develop the skills that I needed. I found the learning environment here at Bangor just immaculate thanks to the lecturers and the facilities, and so I stayed.
Our students graduate to sport-specific careers such as in elite and amateur sport, as well as physiotherapy and in the health setting, but also to a range of general careers. We've had students to go on and work in emergency services, in the Ministry of Defence, as well as in business.
I've been going kayaking every weekend, which has been amazing. I didn't really see that being something I could do at uni.
I'm a committee member for the Canoe Club. I'm also part of the Paddleboarding Society and mountain walking. I work at the University Climbing Wall in Knopf and Brailsford.
The community here at Bangor is genuinely diverse. For instance, I've just given a lecture to students from Hong Kong, Pakistan, India, Wales, England and Saudi Arabia.
Our graduates have gone on to work in many sporting organisations, including Wales Cricket Board, Welsh Rugby Union, Manchester City Football Club and Disability Sport Wales. Wherever you want to go, we will empower you to get there. Join us at Bangor University to achieve our vision to guide the future of sport, health, exercise and human performance science.